Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another tutorial whether how you can fix the links not working you post on your Facebook business page. Well, if you post links of your blog articles or videos on your Facebook business page, you expect those links to work so that they get more views and help in ranking early in search engines. But while posting links, if you have turned on get message settings of your Facebook business page post, they may not work. Like here you can see that when I click on these posts, they don't open the link. Whereas when I click on this post, it does and lead to the blog page. Well, if you observe that this post has get message settings on, which adds a send message button under the post. Well, earlier, both links and send message button worked individually. Like if one clicks on the post, it leads to the blog page. And if one clicks on the send message button, he could send message. Now, they don't work individually, which means if one clicks on the post anywhere, it will open the messenger. Like if I go to my main profile page, and click on such a post, it opens Messenger instead of leading it to the blog page. So to make links work on your Facebook business page, go back to your Facebook business page and click here to create your post. And here you can see that send message button is already a part of the post, which means that the link will not work. Instead, if one interacts with the post, it will open Messenger box. So to turn it off, either you can click on this cross or you can click on this ellipsis icon and uncheck get message option. And here you can see that send message button is not a part of this post anymore. Now create your post using a link and publish it. And here you can see that this post has no send message button. Whereas this one does. Now click on the link post that has no send message button. And here you can see that link post worked and led to the blog page. And this is how you can fix the link you post on your Facebook business page. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.